Hello. Today we'll be learning Anuloma Viloma, which is alternate nostril breathing. So we have two dominant nadis or sides, you can say. One is Surya Nadi, the sun nostril, and the Chandra Nadi, which is the moon nostril, right? So the balance of this leads to a healthy and stress-free life. So we aim to, do this regularly to achieve the desired effects, right? So the ideal time to do this is mornings or evenings or any time before your food. So 3 hours after the food or before the food. So your stomach needs to be empty when you do this, right? And any age group can do this, right? From a kid to an old person, anyone, and it will have a tremendous effect on the system. So it helps you focus, it helps you, calm down, relax if you have anxiety issues, if you have asthma issues. So it's basically useful for the overall health of your, you can say, lungs or your breathing system, right? So let's get started. Let's learn how we actually do it. So ideally you sit on the floor with, your legs crossed or however you're comfortable. Basically your spine needs to be straight and you should be comfortable enough to stay in this posture for a long time. You can also choose to sit on a sofa or a chair, whatever suits you, right? Just check that your spine is straight. So your left hand will be in chin mudra, your thumb and index finger together, right? And keep it on the left side. And your right hand will be nasagra mudra. So nasagra mudra looks something like this, okay? So your thumb will come on the right nostril and your ring finger will come on the left nostril. Your index finger and the middle finger will be in between your eyebrows, okay? If this feels difficult for you to keep and handle this, you can always just use your thumb directly, and when you close your left nostril, use your ring finger. Okay, we just need to close it. Do not press it hard or push it inside too much. It should be very comfortable. You need to stop the flow of your breath when you close it. Okay, it should not hurt you. All right, and no matter which side you do, always your left hand will be down and you'll be always using your right hand. Okay, so it may look very similar to something you may have heard of, which is Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, right? So in Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, we also apply hold, right? We breathe in, we hold, we breathe out, we hold. In this, we simply breathe in from one side and we breathe out from the other side. Again, we breathe in from the same nostril, we breathe out from the same nostril. So the thumb rule here is we always breathe in from the left first and breathe out from the left last. Okay, so we'll just do one round together and you may practice for 5 to 10 minutes later. Left hand in chin mudra, right hand in nasagra mudra, your thumb on the right nostril, your ring finger on the left, your middle finger and the index finger in between your eyebrows. Breathe in from both your nostrils. Breathe out from your left. Close your right. And we'll start the pranayam. Close your eyes. Breathe in from your left nostril. Breathe out from your right. Breathe in from your right. Breathe out from your left. Breathe in from your left. Breathe out from your right. Breathe in from your right. Breathe out from your left. And continue this for some time. See to it that you're breathing in completely, filling up your lungs, and breathing out from the other nostril emptying your lungs completely. The entire process should be smooth and comfortable. If you feel you're not able to hold for longer, breathe in for longer, you can do as short as 2 seconds. You will not press the nostrils, gently close them. Make sure your back is straight throughout the practice. Your shoulders are relaxed. You may relax after this round. Make sure you breathe out from your left. Relax your hands. Both your palms open on your thighs. Stay with the effect on your body and your mind. As and when you feel comfortable, you may gently open your eyes. So we did for a short duration right now for this video, but like I said before, you can extend it every day a little by little, even your inhalations and exhalations, right? So wish you all the best. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.